Right, so this PS5 has been dropped in. Apparently HDMI doesn't work. Let's open it up. Usual Grebby games console. Sure no one cleans these things out. Lovely. Yeah. What is this? Look at all that console carpet, look. State of it. Wowzers. My God, look at the state of this thing, look. Jesus Christ. Wow. That's mental. Yeah, this definitely needs a good clean out. From the dry spots, look, on there as per usual. Yeah, pins all smashed up, look. Let's get this old port off. This old port off. New port. It's a new port soldered in. Cleaned the heatsink out on it. Yes, I've redone the liquid metal as well. Just on and testing. There we go, we're on and working. Just got to put it back together. Back together and on, all working, another successful repair.